Maybe if you let me be your lover, maybe if you tried, then I would not bother. I know you're trying. Good morning, guys. Wanna see how me I sweat? When I can't see it, well, I'm going like that. Where we at? When I can't see the sweat. Yeah, when I can't see sweat, right? Yeah. Now I work out this morning, you understand? Me I do Zumba. Because I really need to lose some weight. That is my goal for the new year. Although it's not the new year yet, may I start. I want to see some changes by then, you understand? Yeah, so I work out. I know. I'm tired of it. But yo, it have to be done. It's so fun. But may I go back. Here's me showing her the time when I know the moves. I learn the moves now, you understand? So I come me sweat up, make me cry. So guys, look who decided to be my second guest. And he's eating. Hi, Jordan. Hi, Jojo. Ooh, what are you eating? Chicken? And what else? Fries? Tastes good? I see it because it's all on your mouth. Drink some of your juice too, okay? All right, so we're watching Tangled. And then we're going to play cars. Huh? Yeah? And then mommy's going to come? Yeah? Let me see your mouth. Okay, I thought it was blood. Okay, finish eating and watching your TV, okay, baby? Love you. And I got my Chinese food. And yeah, Zanaya sleeping. I ain't trying to wake her up. Yeah, I'm miserable, man. So. Lenny, tell everyone that you're finally awake and that you're being so miserable and you just ate your bottle. Tell them. Say, I just ate my bottle. Tell them, yes, say, I just ate my bottle at my auntie's house. Yes, yes, I just eat it. You just eat your baba? You just drink your baba? It's Gotti time. You just eat your baba? Do you just eat your baba? Do you just eat your baba? Mush mush. Patty boom boom. Zen zen. Is that my baby? Is that my baby? That's my miserable baby. Yes. See, I'm sick. I got boku in my nose. I got mota in my eye. I got everything. I'm sick. Okay, let's burpee, okay? Say bye to the people. Say bye. I know they flash it on. Say bye. Say bye, Shania. Say bye, baby. First time at Auntie's. Hey. Guys, I just got in from picking up Zari and I found out some really heartbreaking news. My cousin Kamaj has left us, and it's just so weird to know that even though you know it and you can preach it every single day that life is so short and that you shouldn't take people or time for granted, tomorrow's never promised to anyone, as much as you hear it and you say it, you don't ever think that it will apply to you or somebody that you know. So the fact that he was just here yesterday, and then to find out now that he died this morning from a heart attack, it's mind-boggling. He was a young guy. And I think, actually, no, right now, I don't even know what I'm thinking. Hey, my favorite people at YouTube. It is Friday the 13th. You guys know today's Friday the 13th?
Ow. Friday the 13th.
I'm out with my big boys because it's PA day, and I decided that I want to make them some tacos for lunch. And we're making a birthday card for Grandma because it's Grandma's 50th birthday on Sunday. Happy early birthday, Grandma. We love you. I can't wait for you to see your card. But yeah, so we just left Walmart. Shut up. We just left Walmart. Oh, I should have bought all hard tacos now that I remember, because the soft taco kit for the fish has all soft, but whatever, anyways. So yeah, we're just gonna go get some more ingredients, and then we're gonna go home and we're gonna make some tacos, and we're gonna clean up my house. They're here to help me put my stuff away. And yeah, Josiah, say hi. Okay, you're never gonna be on my YouTube videos ever again. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Jalen.
Hi.
Thank you. When we're making the tacos, you can help me be my chef. Josiah, don't come in the kitchen. So see you guys soon. Bye. They came and they ate out my place.
Oh my god.
And they don't want to save my husband any dinner. Tell Marlon what you wanted to say before.
What do you want to say?
Huh? That he didn't have to know that we made tacos.
Yes, Marlon. I said it. I said you didn't have to know that we made tacos.
Mm-hmm. So we got beef and we got fish. Girl.
Yeah. It's just one of those Fridays.
Yeah.
There's no
Taco Tuesdays, so we got Taco Fridays.
Great.
Fish Taco Fridays. Yeah!
New thing.
Fish Taco Fridays.
And that thing said,
Yummy.
look, that one they full.
Full. Are you still, did you put more beef? So why is your beef still in your thing?
When it fell out.
Lord.
Because the cookie. Is there enough birds? Yeah. Like this is yummy.
Take out your husband food.
Josiah, wait. Okay? Other people have to eat. Marlon is so annoyed right now, but I don't care.
Our white guy, sing that part of my fire when I dance.
Hennessy, y'all drink? Chilling with babe. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. I'm recording you, eh? Turn up night.
My dad is getting that is so more. Apple juice is so more. Now, anything I can bear, anything I make good. Anything I have to do, it's so more. Yes.
Look how it's recorded. You were in that little box. You see how we can record like and take pictures with both things? You see it?
You're one that phone there, no? The phone there. That phone there, don't give me.
No!
I'm going to take that phone there back as well. What? I'm going to take that phone now.
Are you mad? Why would you want my phone?
I'm trying to go to flip one here. That phone there can't do too much at once.
Anyways, peeps, later. I'll see you guys when we're heading home at Jody's. Happy birthday, babe. Love you. And thanks for having us. You know, with my drink. I'm tired, so, you know? Yeah, my eyelashes are on fleek though. All my freckles. I just left Jody's. I'm going home. I'm so like tipsy. I don't know. I drank too much, too fast. Like, you know. Sorry, I drank too much too fast. So I'm like currently in the car, trying to take off my hair and all these things because like, woo. Trying to be cute is like a lot of work, you know what I'm saying? Babe's driving and we're going home and shit, you know what I'm saying? Going home to turn up. Baby, going home to turn up?
No, going home to sleep.
You're going home to turn up?
No, to sleep. I have work in the morning.
You don't have work in the morning, you have work in the night.
Yeah. I work in the morning too.
Where?
What?
Where?
Right here.
Right here, where?
Right here in my car.
You have work in your car?
Yeah.
In the morning? What
Yeah.
type of work?
Gotta clean up the car.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Got to return it to the
Police.
rental place.
What them call police for? Them can't stop the crime. Get a youth want money fi spend. That's why so much man are dead.
That is called?
No. I have liquor in me, so I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I'm lit right now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh, that need to spit out.
There's nothing to spit.
Spit out, man.
I'm living on the wall side.
Relax. Right now you're too hyper. You're fucking
I'm
happy, yeah? And you're turning on the light like you're fucking rolling a split. Are you rolling a split?
I'm living on the wall side. Mar, you love me?
Yo, every fucking day you ask me that.
I don't ask you every day. I ask you like every other day or every 2 days.
Don't ask me no question.
Why can't I ask you that?
Well, I don't want to answer that.
What if I want reassurance?
Well, I don't want no reassurance. You go pay insurance?
I didn't say insurance. I said reassurance.
So what? You're gonna pay for reinsurance?
Yes, I will pay you for reassurance. How do you want your payment?
Yeah.
Do you want a kiss? Do you want a hug?
Don't worry about
Woo, Lord.
that.
We're going right behind the cop car.
Exactly. I mean, I go straight up on that bomb buckler.
Oh, it's not even a cop car. It's a transit supervisor car. Anyways, we are going home. Marlon, just relax now. Just cool now. Just cool now, my youths.
Yo, my God, I ready right just enough.
Yo, just cool now, my
I
youths.
ready right just enough.
I know, but just cool now, my youths.
Me not hot. You listen to that?
Yo, just cool now, my youths. Why you feel go on so every time you're up on the road, you're my youth? Why you can't just humble yourself? You always have to go on like say you had cap shot. Just humble yourself, no my youths. That's why I know say you cannot drive right now. People. Guys, how are you? I'm great. Thank you for asking, even if you didn't ask. So I just went to the mailbox and I got mail. Yay! And it's my first hydro bill. It's smaller than my first hydro bill. I'm so excited. I be feeling like an adult and stuff, but I'm scared. I'm scared to open it, y'all. I'm scared. I'm scared to open it. Look, Toronto Hydro. Toronto Hydro. Okay. Now, see how much we be owing. $33.90. That's not tray bad. Not bad. $33? That can split. That can split. $15. Hey, hey. I was thinking it was gonna be like $100 and some dollars. You know what I'm saying? Because I always hear people complain about their hydro bill and stuff. But good job, Mara and Zoe. Good freaking job. I'm so proud of us. Yes, I'm proud of the both of y'all. I'm very proud. Let's see what else they sent us. Any coupons? Love is a dangerous thing. And it's about to be more because we get our internet tomorrow. So I'll be uploading vlogs tomorrow. Yay! Anyways, you guys, I just got home. I gotta hurry up and make this baby basket so I can take it with me to when I go and drop off Zari because it's about that time and Kim needs it for a baby shower at her workplace tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to that and then leave out and head over and go pick up Zari and Antoine. And then, yeah. My hair be grown, guys. It be growing and stuff. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, yeah, that's enough. Bye. Hey! Hi, YouTube. Better known as Lorraine. And because it's her weekend this weekend, I decided what a better way than, you know,